Good morning, boys and girls. I missed you a bunch. I hope you had a really good spring break. I hope you had a good Easter. Maybe the Easter bunny came. Maybe you got some candy. Maybe you did an egg hunt. Maybe you didn't do any of those things, but maybe you did. Either way, I still hope you enjoyed your spring break. Now, we are going to talk about something new this morning that you should have. So, if you're doing calendar today, in your new packet that your teachers that we made for you, you should have this. You see it? Kindergarten calendar notebook. Everybody should have one of these. It has the word calendar on the front. So if you have this, I want you right now to go ahead and write your name right here. You should have a pencil with you. If you don't have this packet and you don't have your pencil, pause the video and go get your calendar notebook and go get a pencil right now. Everybody done? Make sure you have your name on it. Now, once you have your name on it, now what you're going to do with this is you're going to follow along with me while we do calendar from now on. So you're going to be able to flip open your calendar and you actually have your own mood meter. So go ahead and look at your mood meter and go ahead right now and I want you to check in on your mood meter. Now yours doesn't have color. I wasn't able to get it in color. After this, if you want to color it or at least maybe put a box around it for yellow and green, blue and red, you can. If not, it's okay. You can still look at it and see. You can point with me. So where are you on the mood meter? You can go ahead and point to yours. I am in the green. I'm feeling pretty good about making videos for you guys again. I'm also kind of tired. I'm kind of like right here maybe because I was up in the middle of the night because of the thunderstorms. I don't know if you hear them or heard them at your house, but it woke me up. So I'm a little sleepy a little, but I still feel good. All right, so everybody check in with your own mood meter. You can point on your own mood meter. And then after you've done that, you can go ahead and look at your next page, which should look like this. You're going to need your pencil again, so I hope you have it ready. So there's your front cover. Now here's where we are, okay? Can y'all hear my chickens? They're chasing each other around this morning. They're being silly. You can hear them playing. They've gotten bigger. I sent your parents some pictures of them. So anyway, let's look at our calendar. Now your calendar is blank like this, but right now we need to fill this in. So get your pencil ready and you're going to need to write April on your calendar. You're going to write it up here at the top. See this big rectangle up here? So what does April start with? I hear it. It's that A, that long A that says A. A, P, R, I, L. So you should have April written up there. Now you already have the days of the week in here, and we already have a 1 here. But we have already done some of this. Before you had a new calendar, we've already done some of this stuff. So we need to go ahead and we need to write in the numbers. So we already did 1. I put the 1 there for you. So what are we going to write right here? Yep, we're going to write a 2. I'm going to make this a little smaller, and we're going to write together. So go ahead and write a 2. And then go ahead and fill it in. 3, but we're going to stop at 12. Okay, so we're going to stop at 12. 4. And go back over here and write your 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. And I want you to stop right there when you get to 12. So yours should look like mine, okay? You should have, all of this should be blank. And you should stop at the number 12. I'm going to give everybody a few seconds to catch up on that. All right. If you are not at 12 yet, you can pause it and you can finish, and then you can press play when you get it, okay? But we should all be on 12. Now I want you to stay on this page. Don't turn the page. Stay on the calendar we just did. Ready? All right, so here we are. This is the last time we did calendar, was on the 3rd. So I'm going to fill some things in. I'm going to move this to today for now. All right, so we need the 4. I'm going to fill mine in just like you just did. And we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12, which is what you just did too. And it was Easter yesterday. Now today is Monday. It is Monday. We're back to school after being out for spring break. See all those days we had no school? And this is today. So we're going to count to today. And you can count on your paper. Since you have your own paper now, you can count with me and point. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Today's the 13th. So let's write a 13, and you're going to write it with me on your calendar right there today. So let's write a 13. It's a 1 and a 3. Everybody write that on your calendar. And when you find a 13 down here, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Yep, there it is right here. So everybody should have a 13 on their calendar now, just like me. Good. And let's say the date together. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. Very good. And we'll talk about all these birthdays tomorrow. We'll go over all the birthdays, okay? All right, so our graph. Okay, so we had started our April weather graph. Here's what I want you to do. In your calendar, now that we've done the date, I want you to go ahead and turn the page, and you will see your very own weather graph. Okay? So I want you to write at the top, I want you to write April like I have. Can you go ahead and write April at the top? See where I have it up here? I'll underline it for you. Right here. And go ahead and write April on yours. And then I want you to go ahead and color in 2 sunny days, because we already did these. 2 sunny days. I want yours to match mine. So color in 1 sunny day and 2 sunny days. And it doesn't have to be yellow. It can be a pencil. It can be whatever color you have. 2 sunny days. All right. And then color in 1 cloudy day. 1 cloudy day. That's all you should color in right now. 2 sunny, 1 cloudy. Got it? All right, now we're going to check the weather. And if it's like at your house, like it's been at my house, it is raining a lot, and I can hear the rain, and it's windy. So it says it's 68 degrees, and we have clouds. I have thunderstorms and lightning. It even says we have a thunderstorm warning and a wind advisory. So go look out the window and see if that's what you see at your house. But I definitely see rain here, and I can hear it. So I'm going to erase my 0, and I'm going to color in a rainy day. If your weather at home is different, if you're doing this and it's not raining, you could color in something different if you want to, or you can just do what I'm doing and color in a rainy day. And I'm going to write a number 1. You can write a 1 too. You're going to have to erase it though tomorrow or whenever we change it, but it's up to you. So we had 0 rainy days and we added 1, and 0 plus 1 makes 1. So right now we still have the most with sunny, but cloudy and rainy are what? They're equal. Yep. And then partly cloudy, snowy, and windy are also equal. They all have 0. All right. Good job, everyone. Now, once you've got your weather graph all ready to go, you can go to your next page. Now, you don't have this page in there because I couldn't figure out a good way to do it in your book, but you can still do this with me. You still need to help me count. So we need to take away, we need to erase this. We need to take away a star. And now we need to figure out how many days we have left in kindergarten. And I want you to go ahead and figure it out. I want you to go ahead and try to figure it out. All right, let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. It is 36. That's right. So we need to write a 3 and a 6. And since you don't, if you want to write this, maybe not. I could have made you a chart where you could have at least written the number. Oh well, it doesn't matter. You're good. You can at least write it with your finger on the paper, or you could actually just write it up here at the top of this page, which is what we're going to do next. It's up to you. My birds are being silly. All right, next page. Now, you do have a page for helping write snap words and doing your math. Now, this says word of the day and math. So you can use this next page for this part. Okay, so go to a page that looks like this. And for snap words today, we're just going to do a review. We are going to try to write some of our snap words, okay? And we're going to try to write them in a snap. We're going to write a couple of them, okay? We're going to practice. Can you please try to write the word like? Write the word like in a snap. And then I'll write it and you see if it matches mine. Write it in a snap. All right, let's see if this is what you got. L-I-K-E. Good. All right, now write the word and. Write the word and. Remember to write it in a snap. All right, it's A-N-D, and. All right, now try to write the word my in a snap. That one should have been quick. M-Y. Good. Now what about the word she? She. All right, let's see. S-H-E. Good. All right, on this sheet that we're working on too, we're actually going to do math on this page. I should have told you to do this, but it's okay. Save some room for math. So if you're writing your words kind of big, you might want to write them a little smaller next time, but you're doing a great job. But we're going to do math on this page too. We're going to write 2 more words. Let's write the word this. This. That's a little bit of a tricky one. See if you remember how to write this. All right. T-H-I-S. What's that say? This. And we're going to do one more. Can you write the word to? Now listen to which one. Like if I said, I have a book too. How do we write that too? Yep, that one is T-O-O. Good job, everybody. All right, let's read our words that we wrote. Ready? Point to your words. Like, and, my, she, this, too. Good job. Kiss your brain. I missed you guys. You guys are doing so good. All right, now on that same paper, you don't need to turn your page. You're going to use the same page. Okay, remember it says word of the day and math. we're going to do a story problem. Ready? We're going to be doing story problems in math this whole week. All right. So since we just had Easter, let's do one with Easter eggs. Okay? Let's say that Chandler found, let's say Chandler found 10 Easter eggs. Can you draw 10 Easter eggs? Let's draw 10 Easter eggs that Chandler found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Chandler found 10 Easter eggs. And then Olivia found 2 more. 1, 2. How many Easter eggs did Chandler and Olivia find? Can you figure it out? How many did they find? All right, let's count and see if we got the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it's 12. So let's write our equation, and you're going to write this too on your paper. So we're going to write 10 plus, because we're adding, remember? We're adding them together, plus 2 equals 12. Like that. Good job, everyone. You did a great job. All right, listen, I'm very proud of you. I hope you enjoyed having your new calendar packet. Tomorrow we're going to use it again. We're going to use it every day. So when it's time for calendar, you need to have this ready and a pencil ready so you can write with me and do the calendar with me and all of the things with me that we're doing. Okay, so keep this safe and don't lose this. All right. If you want to color it, you can. Or if you didn't have time to write your name on it, you can do that. Okay. All right, you guys, you did a great job. And I'm looking forward to doing more lessons with you this week. And I hope you keep learning and doing a great job. Bye.